This is how to import Ninja scripts. So in the NinjaTrader Control Center, you go to Tools, Import, NinjaScript Add-On, and it'll bring you to your file system. You click on the zip file that you want to import, and you click Open. And it'll say it successfully imported all files. And then to access the files, you simply go to a chart, and if it was an indicator, you right click and you go to Indicators, and it'll be on your list of indicators. If it was a strategy, it'll be on your list of strategies. Or if it was a bars type, under your type you'll be able to select your bar type. How to export a NinjaScript assembly. Sometimes you need to export to upgrade to a newer version, so you have to take the old version off to put the new version on. I'll show you how to do that. Very simple. Remove NinjaScript assembly. You select the assembly from the list, and then you hit remove, and it'll remove it for you, and then you can do whatever you need to do from there. That's all. Thank you.